In this video, we are going to see that if we want to resolve this out of memory or system resources error which says out of memory or system resources, close some windows or programs and try again. And that usually happens when you have a lot of applications open in the background. So let's see a couple of solutions that might work for you. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we recommend is just close all the browser windows, all the applications together, and maybe just restart your PC once so that you can get a fresh start and then try running that application, see if that works. And what else we can do is just open up the start menu and right here, advanced system settings. And here it will directly show you this advanced tab. That's where we want to go in. And under the performance, it says the settings. I'll just go to the settings and click on advanced. And in the virtual memory, it is set to 7501. Let's click on change and then just uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. So what I recommend you to do is the space available. What you can do is just allot it as a custom size, half of that. So for example, if you have 21,000, let's enter 10,000, 10,000 for both fields. Let's click the set button and there is no problem if you're facing any kind of problem after the you custom. And guys, reversing that is very easy. Just click on automatically manage page file size for all drives. Just set it to that and it will be removed from here. So in case you are having some problem with the custom size, you can just always reverse back from the same option. Click on set, click OK. And we need to restart our computer once. Click apply, OK, OK. And it will show you the restart now option. Just quickly restart this. And after that, what else we can do is just open up the start menu and we need to write here CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. If it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly on the screen. We just have to write here SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. So you have to write in exactly the same way, hit enter, and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time, begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3% and we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that window resource protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. After that, just close out of here and we need to restart our computer once to make all of this effective. And after that, you can just try running that application or that update, whatever you were doing again, and you should face no problem in accessing that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, just comment down below if that works for you. If this doesn't work, what works for you? Just remember to mention in comments so that it can help all the community out here, because we are in this together, so we have to help each other to resolve this problem. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.